Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into some must-have kitchen organizers that are sure to bring order and efficiency to your cooking space. From clever drawer inserts to pantry essentials, these products are designed to make your kitchen more functional and enjoyable. And remember, all the products featured in this video are linked in the description, so you can easily check them out for yourself. Starting off at number 1, we have the WOWBOX Plastic Drawer Organizer Set. This set is perfect for sorting small items like cutlery, utensils, or any little gadgets. Its clear design makes it easy to find exactly what you're looking for, without any fuss. Next up, number 2, the Vtopmart Drawer Organizer. Simple yet effective, this organizer is affordable and helps keep your drawers clutter-free. Moving on to number 3, we've got the NatureSource Undersink Organizer. Tired of bending down and digging through cleaning supplies? This is your solution. It's great for creating extra space under your sink and keeping everything easily accessible. Coming in at number 4, the LANDNEOO Stackable Clear Water Bottle Organizer. If you're a water bottle collector or just need better storage for them, this organizer is a lifesaver. Number 5 on our list, the Clear Pantry Kitchen Cabinet Organizer Bins. These bins are clear, sturdy, and perfect for storing snacks, spices, and pantry essentials. Number 6, the YouCopia Bakeware Rack. For those of us with too many baking sheets and trays, this rack neatly organizes them vertically, so you don't have to dig around to find what you need. And at number 7, we have General Pantry and Kitchen Organizers. This multifunctional organizer works well for a range of items, from cans to jars and everything in between. Number 8, CANIVI. Under Sink Tray. Lightweight and compact, this tray slides in perfectly under the sink, great for soaps, sponges, or even dishwashing supplies. Number 9. Vtopmart Undersink Organizers and Storage. A larger option for those who want more space, this sturdy organizer keeps everything neat under your sink area. At number 10, we have the clear storage bins with lids set. These bins stack nicely, so they're perfect for smaller pantries or maximizing space. Number 11. Plastic storage bins. Large and durable, these bins are fantastic for storing bulkier items and dry goods. Number 12. The Copco Non-Skid 3-Tier Spice Pantry Kitchen Cabinet Organizer. This little tiered rack keeps all your spices in order, so you can easily see and access them. Number 13. The Pot and Pan Organizer. A must-have for anyone tired of stacking pans on top of each other. This rack allows easy access and keeps your cookware in perfect order. Number 14. Lazy Susan Turnable. Perfect for corner cabinets or countertops, this classic organizer keeps condiments, sauces, and spices at your fingertips with just a simple spin. Finally, at number 15, we have the Silverware Drawer Organizer Natural. This eco-friendly organizer looks fantastic and keeps your silverware tidy and easy to reach. And there you have it, 15 kitchen organizers to streamline your space and bring some order to the chaos. Remember to check out the links in the description to grab these essentials for your kitchen. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more great organization tips. See you in the next video.